I'm going to be showing you how to fix OTP not received on eBay. So if you're not receiving the OTP verification code from eBay, then it usually happens because of phone settings, network issues, or account settings. So let's try to fix this step by step. So the first thing you can do is wait and request a new code. Sometimes the code is delayed. You can wait 1 or 2 minutes and then click resend code. The second thing is to check your phone signal. Make sure your phone has network signal. You can turn on airplane mode for 10 seconds and then turn it off. You can also try requesting the OTP again. Also check for blocked messages. Some phones block automatic SMS. You can check the spam blocked messages or blocked numbers list and remove any blocked shortcut. Also make sure the phone number is correct. This is pretty much basic, so make sure you do that. And also make sure your country code is correct. If it's still not working, you can just try another verification method. You can use the email verification or the authenticator app or phone call OTP. Sometimes the problem is with the device, so you can just try restarting your device and try to do it again. If it's still not working, then you may need to contact eBay support. So anyways, in this way you can successfully fix OTP not received on eBay. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.